Hi guys, today we are starting a series of DSA algorithms, DSA questions. This is day one. So on day one, we starting with a problem of moving zeros. So this question tells us given an integer, the array is given, which have nums, and we should have to check. We should have to take the output. We should have to move all the zeros in the end, and all the non-zero element are in the front. So it is very quite simple question. We can do it using stack, or we can do it using two pointers method. So let's start first. So you already know like the two pointer methods are use for loop basically. So we are use here for loop. So we int I equals to 0, and then I smaller than nums dot length, and then I plus plus. After that, we because we have to swap, we are using swap method here. We can swap non-zero elements to zero elements. So we check here if nums I not equals to 0 basically, not equals to 0, then we can swap it. And from which way we can swap it, we have to make a new variable here, like j equals to 0, and then we apply here a sorting method, like basically a swapping method. So we can let here a temp variable by which we can swap it, and then nums I, and we can use here nums I equals to nums j, and after that nums j equals to temp. Definitely we should have to increment the j plus plus, and we don't have to return anything. It's quite simple. Output is good and there is no error. It's very quite easy problem, and this is a problem highly recommended for mass recruiters. You can see that we have used a very good time complexity. So here is we can use this is the code. I'll give the link in the description of this question. You can go, and this is day one for first question, and then we start for second question. Here is the second question on lead code majority element. It's very easy question. Given an array nums which of size n is basically the size of nums array, and we have to return the majority elements. So majority element are those elements which appears more than n by 2 times, and here n is the length of the nums array which is given. So it's quite simple. We can do it using, first we have to sort the elements, array.sort nums, and then we have to return elements. Directly we can return the elements nums dot length, and then by 2, because we have to return the elements which is more than n by 2 times repeating. So when we run it, so you can see there is no error. It's only 2 lines solution. So yes, so that's it for day one. These two questions we have to run on day one, and I will meet you on day two.